Gossiping is another unproductive habit that stems from unhealthy relationships. It can be tempting to engage in gossip with friends or colleagues, but it contributes to a negative environment and can erode trust. It's important to recognize when conversations veer into gossip territory and make an effort to redirect them toward more constructive topics. By eliminating gossip from your life, you pave the way for stronger and more reliable connections with others. To sum up, eliminating unhealthy relationships involves distancing yourself from toxic people, reducing drama, and avoiding gossip. By doing this, you create a more positive environment for yourself, allowing for personal and professional growth. Srila Prabhupada was concerned for his disciples' well-being. He would chastise this devotee, that devotee. Life is short. Do not waste your time uselessly.